Shupar naga Shlem jong Nong Hima.
Ka Shillong Manipuri Students Union haringkat ka seng ki longkmi na ka jila Manipur kila penong ka jing Thang Mombati Sngewlem Laitumkhrah ka Sngewlem halor ka jing klat ki Ngut ki hybrid na ka jing shapen betai bom ka ying sa jongki drong laubi Manipur ki suba leno ulam yan ba General Secretary Shillong Manipuri Students Union habakran shakilar pathai khubor ula pha ka khubor Sngewlem shakiba ying hasem jongki ni khna ula ong ikwa yaki bakintip bakim long marway hakani ka jingmat jongki ka jing sngusi hendai ki donlang bat ki hakani ka por ula ong bakani ka jing penlong ya ka jing Thang Mombati Sngewlem ya ki degi khna kamdei ka kam politik hendai ka dei nak benta ka jing Sngewlem para brio bat ban pha ka khubor bakum kini ki jingja kin om jashu hadin Gikerpat ya baro ki jai benrio kini beteng bandong jai jai bat ban yatli ban jiet ya ka jing suk ban ya ka jing ale man kawai pakawai ka jing im ka long ba koridor bat man ka sor ka riban kran nak benta ban wanra ya ka jing suk ulo
Please come, please come. No. Sadness to hear about our Manipuri crisis. That time, 5th or 6th April, that time, the Kuti militants they attacked by bomb, and then accidentally the bomb blast, and then our family members, brother and sister, the one who is posted here, they died suddenly, and their mother is very seriously in ICU now, hospitalized because of this accident only. Our Manipuris, 2-3 people died now, and they have their family members, their own children also, but then they are facing lots of problems. And then right now in Manipur situation is very bad, and then we feel so crying, we feel so sadness about that, of this case, and that's why we are just coming to all together here to offer some candle light our Manipuri people. And then
not just as student union, but as humans, we're deeply affected by the heartbreaking tragedy, the loss of innocent lives, especially the 2 children that lost their lives. On behalf of the Shillong Manipuri Students Union, Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society, and then Manipuri Women's Congress. On behalf of the Manipuri Women's Association, Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society, and Shillong Manipuri Student Union, we extend our deepest condolence to the grieving family, and no words can easily ease their pain, but we want them to know that they are not alone in this moment of sorrow, and we stand with them in solidarity. Our gathering today is not about politics or division. It's about humanity. It's about honoring the lives we have lost and sending a message that such tragedies should never happen again. We urge all communities to remain calm, to stand together, and to choose peace over conflict. Let this moment be a reminder that every life is precious and every voice should raise for peace matters. Thank you. Shillong Manipuri Students Union and Manipuri Women's Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society and our Manipuri Women's Association. So 3 unions are organizing this candlelight procession. Recently, we were very shocked by this news of such an innocent lives taken, especially the 2 children lives that lost. We want to express that we stand with them in solidarity. We want them to know that they are not alone in this moment of sorrow, and we want to express our condolences to the family also. I want to say that let peace there be soon, and let's not choose violence over everything, because one life, every life matters, and violence will never be the answer of all of this. So I would like to form the government to restore peace as soon as possible in our state.